Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Anita, and in today's video I will be doing some Hermes unboxing. So I had the opportunity to go to the brand new store that they opened, and it's amazing. It's a 2-level store, and wow, like it's such a difference between their old store. I feel like it's much brighter. There's just way more windows. There's a lot more stuff, and it's amazing. Yeah, so I got some goodies here. The day that I went, it was opening day. I didn't go the time it opened, but I went probably a couple hours later and it was still so busy. But it was a great experience because, you know, they were handing out water and beverages and little snacks. So we got to enjoy that. And yeah, it was a crazy experience. But let me unbox and talk at the same time. So, about these two little goodies here. I'm gonna start with this one, because this one, I went back the Sunday to pick this one up, but because they couldn't find it on the Friday for me. And then when they found it, they called me on Saturday and I went to pick it up on Sunday. So we'll open this one first and then we'll deal with the big one later. So yeah, so I went there, and on the Friday, I didn't get there right at 10 o'clock because that's when they opened. I got there around 12, and it was still very busy, very, very busy. So I was able to get an essay to help me, and yeah, it was a very neat experience. So it comes with this little box. This is what I got. So I got the Bastia coin purse in, this is the rose Sakura color. So that's the coin purse there. I found that it has a bit of a shimmer to it. It's not really picking up here, but it's got a really small, like, tint of shimmer. But it's so pretty. And then the next one, let's do the big one and then we'll do this one. So this item I was actually looking for here and there, on and off, maybe a year or so, but at the old store they just never really carried it in stock, and when they did, it was just gone. So and there, I feel like it was very limited as well for stock. I heard that from the essay that there was a person that lined up from 4 a.m. in the morning, and they were able to get a limited edition Kelly, which sort of had a sunrise portrait or sort of painting on it. And then there were 2 other limited edition ones, but I wasn't sure which ones they were. But they did have a Birkin and maybe a couple Kellys, but they were totally gone. Yeah. And then with, I guess, stock level with bags, they had, maybe by the time I got there, they didn't have any more like of the items that I sort of wanted. But anyways, let me just unbox this and I'll show you what I got. Dun, dun, dun. Oh. So I got the Picotin in 22. So it comes like that, and then it also comes with all this stuffing inside. So I'm going to take out the stuffing, and then you can see sort of the shape of how it looks. It also comes with a sort of a care booklet as well, so you get to see what to do to care for it. But it's pretty deep. I wanted the 18, but they were all gone by the time I got there. And they had the two-tone, the newer two-tone colors, one with a gold and one with sort of a redder color, but I'm just not too sure about that right now. It's just, it's a bit different. Yeah, so this is the 22, and as you can see, it's pretty deep. It's not lined inside, so it's kind of got like the suede in there. And then it also comes with a locket. It comes with this, the key, and the little lock. Lock it and hook it on. So the lock gives a bit of a weight to it, so that's sort of how it sits. And yeah, I wasn't sure about the 22 because it is, I thought it would be too big, but actually it's not too bad, because when it sits on me, it's not too bad. And I thought, with my height, I'm about 5'4", it still looks pretty good. And I thought, okay, well, it's pretty simple. It's in Clemence Leather, and with palladium hardware, so silver hardware. And yeah, I thought the simplicity of it, you could dress it up a little bit more. They did have ones that had sort of the exotic handles, but I just thought, you know what? First Picotin, I think I'm just gonna go with a very simple classic black. And yeah, that's what I went with. Speaking of dressing them up, this is my last item. And yeah, so when she brought this one out, I was like, oh, maybe it's too plain, maybe I need something with color. But then when she was like, ooh, you could dress it up, and I'm like, okay, show me the goodies I could do with it. So this is one of the goodies that I got to dress it up a little. Oh, I got a Rodeo. So this is, I don't know the name on this one, but it's in Swift leather. So it's so cute. It's in the medium size. It's not the smallest. They didn't really have any one smaller than this. So yeah, so I'm gonna just show you how you kind of dress it up a bit. You just kind of throw it on one of the handles. You throw it over, and there you go. Oh, so cute. Love it. And it just fits perfectly as far as the size goes, because I think if it was a little too small, then it wouldn't really match the size of the bag. So maybe go with a medium Rodeo if you're getting something like a medium size bag, and then go with the smaller Rodeo if you're going for like an 18 Picotin or maybe like a 30 garden party. But I found this was really, really, really cute. I have the receipt here, so maybe I can see what the, I think that one was, the Milo Lambskin MM Rodeo, and it is color BM Rouge Indien with gold. And oh, I'm gonna break this. I'm gonna butcher this name, but I will have it down below here, and I'll leave all the names of the Rodeo, and then also the Rose Sakura Bastia coin purse. So yeah, that was my little unboxing today for you guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Thanks guys, bye.
lounge.